Hey everyone, thanks for checking out my videos. Today I'm going to open up the third Warbird Series 400 in this. First one released was the P51D Mustang. Second was the F4U Corsair. And right here is the T28 Trojan. So let me go ahead and cut this tape. And these are 4-channel Gyro 400 millimeter RC airplanes. Very cool. Lots of videos and reviews on these. These are probably the best beginner RC planes. Pull this out. Straight out of the bottom, this is our little accessories bag. Comes with the charger, screws for the landing gears themselves, a screwdriver, and really cool. Everything you need. This is extra prop it comes with, and these props are great because it comes with these little plastic pieces, and here's a little extra receiver for the motor side, and they're designed to just pop right off so they don't get damaged or break. Here is the 4-channel transmitter that comes with these. Pretty basic. I thought these were pretty cool, pretty decent until I saw an OpenTx transmitter, and I'm hoping to demo that for you. But anyways, check this out. Here's the T28, and I'll give you a quick shot of the specs of this. I did pick up the 3-battery version. There's the Trojan. Here's the other ones. I did an unboxing on the Corsair. I did skip the P51, but pretty much the same thing. You receive the same things. Something forgot to mention. If you order multiple batteries, your extra batteries come in the back of the transmitter, so don't forget that if you do not use this. But anyways, let's get this thing out and take a look at how it looks. So, from what I've gathered about these, is that the P51 seems to be the most agile. It is my favorite so far between the other two. My favorite design of the three, but very fun to fly. I do like how the prop has a little nose cone on it, which is pretty cool. The other two, it's no knock, but they do have just a basic front end propeller, and so this is how it is with the props. Landing gears, you just install them there and put the screw in to hold them in place. But let me go ahead. Here is the third battery, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in and gonna demo there we go. So it's plugged in. This is the transmitter I have from my Corsair. I already have the batteries in there. So I'm gonna let this thing bind up. You can see it's bound. Rudder. You got just arm the motor, and there you go. But don't have it cleared, so I won't turn that on yet. But something to note about this is you could see me moving the sticks, but not getting any response till, what is that, like a third of the way? So that was the biggest motivation for me when I saw this. You can see this too. Have to get a about a third of the way before it starts responding, maybe a quarter on the ailerons, but the elevator, same thing. So let me shut this off, and I have my T12 Pro here ready to go, and I will demo you. Hopefully this will pair right up. The difference between the Hall sensor gimbals, and let's see, I did already do a multi-protocol binding on this, so let me see. Just wanted a demo that I got things working right, and you can see the input and feedback, improved feedback. Very nice. So very cool. Highly recommend the plane. Highly recommend OpenTx. This one was great. I did pick it up for I think like $98 shipped. Amazon has it for $120. I see. The plane, 3 battery for $80. Just look for the sales. I know some prices are posted pretty high, and prices will go up, but that's just a ballpark on the deals that you can find for these. They do have a Jumper T Lite that I thought is pretty cool. It's like a gamer style controller, smaller. And then there's also Fry Sky. I forgot, it was a T9 Lite for that you can get for 90 to 100 bucks. Also OpenTx, so lots of options for a budget OpenTx that can work on a lot of these cheaper RCs. But definitely do the research to make sure which ones support the protocols and and which ones don't. I would say a majority of them are and do, but that one Volantex 768 Mustang, along with that 765 series, is not supported at this moment, or else, or at least I haven't been able to find the support for that yet. So definitely a very cool combination. I will be using this on some other kits and bind-in flies and plug and plays. So it gives you a lot of options without having to get multiple transmitters or buy your own receivers to throw into these planes, which is also a great option. Just finding the best and most budget receivers to pair up to this, it's great. I do have a Fly Sky i6X, which is awesome, and I won't stop using it. But if I did know about this beforehand, I probably would have gone with this route instead. But that's why I am just sharing the knowledge, and hope you guys enjoy.